Yes, hi Rakesh. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible. So, did you practice?
Yeah, yeah, I did in the morning.
Okay. So, first of all, initially, let us reiterate for the class.
Okay.
Okay. And before that, I just would like to get my earphones 1 minute. Rakesh, is it audible? Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, my first question is, what is? Can you please share your screen with terminal?
One second.
Yep. 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 Rakesh, are you there?
I'm not able to connect.
Mission, you are saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
One second, let me share my screen.
Yeah.
It asked for relogin. That's why I'm logged.
Okay, try to show me.
Let me open from here.
Where is your key?
This-
Is that your key?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here,
Yeah, paste it.
command, not phone.
Okay, actually you pasted Control C. Don't use Control C, please. That is wrong command. Now it is fine. Test 2 you are saying? Is that test 2 machine? Can you, one second, one second. Yeah, it is now, it is working.
Yeah, now it's connected.
Because you used Control C. Why you are using Control C? I already,
Yeah, yeah,
uh,
yeah. Now I got it.
many times I mentioned, don't use any Windows commands here.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So, yeah. So, first of all, can you show me what are the files you are having right now?
Yeah. Also.
Remove that screen sharing window meeting. Yeah, just remove it. Yeah. So you have two files, three files.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. So ls-ll. Okay. Here for RA key file is there, right?
Yeah.
So I want to give permissions for that file, only reading permissions. How?
Okay. Like for owner, it has write also. So for that, we need to remove write access.
Hmm?
Just we provide ch mod.
Earphones this okay. Can you show me?
1 second. Okay. Now ch mod u plus u g o plus r to the plus only read access.
I want to only read access for owner. How can you do that?
Only for owner.
Yeah, only for owner. So remaining should be zero or no permissions.
Okay. So again, 0, and change mode. Owner means user. Yes. R. Yes. Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So I want to change group permissions.
Group permissions. Okay. Only read or three.
Mm, anything you can give.
Okay.
Read or write.
Let's give
Read and
some
write.
read and write. Oh, to write. Hmm.
Okay, fine. So can you create a user, new user?
Yeah. Okay.
Show me where he is available. So whatever user you created, I
Mm,
want to see that user.
mm.
Okay. So now I want to add a group. So DevOps group. So how can you add the group? So I need a DevOps group, I need AWS group, I need Java group.
Okay. Uh,
Hmm.
GRB will work. GRO.
Try. Whatever you keep in mind, use that same thought. Hmm. DevOps. Okay. Okay. I want to see where is the DevOps group right now. No. What is that? Where is that?
Not created.
It's created.
Huh?
If it is not created, it will throw error.
So it is created, but in different location. Huh?
Definitely. Group separate. I shown already. For groups, you have to see in groups. Hmm. Pass WD. Pass WD is for users.
Okay.
For groups, cat etc. It's groups.
Just groups. GROUPS. No, it's okay. Yeah.
Cat etc. Ah, yes. What was the mistake you did earlier?
Yes,
Yeah.
I added S also.
Now group, right?
Mm.
Okay. So now add more teams. I said AWS, DevOps,
Yeah.
Java.
Yeah, one second. Mm. No. GROUP. AWS. Mm. So now cat is. I added.
Okay. So now I want to add question. Just listen carefully.
Yeah.
So you created a user called Rakesh something, Raj, right?
Mm.
So now I want to add Raj into DevOps group. How?
DevOps. Okay, first I have to enter into group, I guess.
Take a time and think. No problem. I have a Raj user, correct?
Mm.
Okay. This man I want to add into DevOps group.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. So take time, no problem. Just try different methods, not hurry. Okay. So user mode. Show me that comment.
Sudo
Uh,
user mode.
okay. Okay. So you are correct, and you need to add hyphen a and capital G. You are appending. Okay. Hyphen a, capital G. G means groups.
Okay.
Okay. Enter. Does not exist. User. What is that? Group
User DevOps.
DevOps is not there. You mentioned something DevOps and extension also.
Yeah, DevOps team, I guess.
Yes, that's why you need to check before you adding what are the groups and what are the groups are available, right?
It's added.
Okay. How can you check this?
1 second. Mm,
Just note this all these comments.
yeah, yeah, I'm noting.
Just write it.
Uh,
Can you type this comment? Groups.
yeah, here.
Yeah, right. What command you have used?
Same command to print the groups.
Exactly. Yes. You see this DevOps team added with Raj.
Yeah.
Clear?
Mm,
So this is how we need to same. You can create two more users. Okay, Ramesh or Rakesh or something like that, and add with Ramesh with Java and Harish with AWS like that.
okay.
Can you try with this command? Groups Raj, GROUPS groups
Groups Raj.
Raj. Enter.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So using grep also you can do, right? Can you try with a group grep now? Grep, grep. You are finding DevOps, right?
Mm,
So DevOps, DevOps Center. That's it. And where you are checking? No. I did not say anything to enter DevOps. That's it.
yes.
Control C.
Okay.
grep
Mm,
only
DevOps team.
only DevOps. Just enter only DevOps.
Mm,
Okay. Space etc. So you are check slash.
okay.
Where is slash? You should not enter etc because you are not into etc directory or in that particular premises. So you are somewhere outside. So how machine can understand that is etc where what is etc? So whatever you are currently in root, if you type like that, it will search in that particular directory or location, present
Yeah.
working directory. So now, if you want to say, if you want to go inside etc, you need to you must use slash etc. Top level root directory etc will be there, right?
Yeah.
Slash etc So you are checking DevOps into groups, right? So
Yeah.
slash groups, group, enter, right?
Hmm.
So for if you use grep, you don't need to mention entire name.
Okay.
So grep, why I am using grep in the sense to know that only,
Hmm.
right? So to search particular word, you have to use grep, right?
Hmm.
So right, next. So add different users with AWS and Java. Entrance.
Okay. User not created first. I have to create user.
Hmm.
Can I create two users at a time? No. Is it possible?
Yeah, it is possible. Space.
Yes.
Keep other name. Enter. Check. No, it is not taking. I think so. You have to mention comma space. Try.
Mhm. Okay.
What it is showing?
Showing some.
That's what I am looking actually. No, not that. So it is showing that different options. I'm looking for that option. Actually, you can create sudo user add. Okay. Okay. So how you need to create? You need to create entire. You know. So wait. Stop it. Go back. Same. Just repeat the command. Sudo user add something you mentioned, right, Mahesh? And
Mhm.
also double ampersand, not comma. Remove that. After Mahesh, please remove Nani. You need to mention now double ampersand. End to end. Okay, yeah, yeah, like that. And also repeat the same command.
Okay. Same command. Got it.
Same command. No, you need to mention space. Mm. You don't no need to use any sudo so in if you are in a root. Okay, just now you can utilize also, you can use now also, don't remove. But I'm telling you that if you are in a root user, no need to mention sudo.
Okay.
Okay, so now try.
1 second. I will.
What happened? Uh-huh.
I'm just changing the
Okay,
names.
okay, okay. So now check the users.
Yeah. Created.
Yeah, so now what is your task? You need to add to user to groups.
Okay.
So how?
Sudo user more hyphen u capital G AWS to Mahesh.
What is A and what is G?
A is for user and G is for group.
Append. A means append.
Okay.
G means group.
Okay.
Okay. So sudo user mode hyphen A means appending. You are appending. G means group. So AWS group.
Okay.
You are adding Mahesh. Wait. You are adding two persons in same group.
Yeah.
Okay, try. Yes, check with it. What? Go and check groups. Yeah, greppo, AWS. No, you should mention that what particular word you are switching. Enter. Yeah,
Mahesh and Nani.
yeah, that's fine. And create other two users again.
I already created another called Mahi and
Okay,
Kalyan.
okay, okay, okay. So just assign Mahi and Kalyan to other group. Java, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, do that.
Hmm. Added.
Okay, all right. So you understood, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Um, next, so I want to change username and group name at a time. How?
Changing username and group name at a time. Huh?
Yes. So you just added groups and users. That's it. Okay. So now, um, so now my requirement is
Uh,
I need to change the group permissions. Okay.
Group permissions.
Yes. Yesterday I have shown. Try, 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 try. No problem. Try. But I'm asking actually, I would like to change username and group name at a time. So this is what I've shown you last night.
Both at a time.
Yes.
Like
Okay, okay. Like keep it like that. I'll end up the. So after this, I'll tell you. First of all, I got requirement. So now I want to change the username. Maybe unexpectedly or mistakenly, I have added some name called Mahi. I want to delete that, or I want to change the name. So how to do that? Sudo username. Write it.
yeah, yeah.
Sudo username.
Old username and
Yeah.
new username. What should we?
Sudo. You do one thing. Sudo user mod. Sudo user mod modifications. Let's do like this. User mod hyphen d.
L for list.
That is for list. I don't want list, right? I want to change the name.
Mahi to Mahesh.
Something like that.
Already Mahesh is there.
Yeah. Where? Yeah. Try. Yeah. It will be absolute path in the sense wherever you currently is there. That path you need to mention the exactly where you have created that mahi.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
you
you
mentioned
mentioned
in
in
the
the
PWD.
PWD this path
Okay.
sudo user mode hyphen d next slash root. Now mahe slash don't forget directory path. Okay, yeah, mahe. So hyphen m. Okay, hyphen m change with a different name. We'll try this. Yeah, try. What is this? Does not exist. Mm,
డస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అంటే మనం క్రియేట్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాం, అసలు లేదు. పేరు మార్చుదాం అనుకుంటున్నాం.
yeah, yeah. So we need to change the name, right? Mm. Do one thing. Sudo group mod that you can keep like that. Try with hyphen n. Right. Now new name. N means name. New name. Try with Maheshwari, and also you need to replace with old name Mahi or Mahesh something. Now try this Mahi or Mahesh. I don't know. Try group mod command not found. Wait. Sudo group spelling wrong. No. Previous command is correct, but spelling wrong. So after sudo group, not grp. O
GROUP.
yes, group
Okay.
group mod. Yeah, try with it now. Yeah, it got changed. Can you check the groups?
Like, we changed the username, right? It's not a group, Mahesh.
Sorry. Yeah. It is username. Huh?
Yeah. Group Mahesh is in AWS. So AWS. Not change. Okay, let's directly see the user.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, that is actually. Oh, can you check the groups once? Maybe.
1 second.
Cat possibility. Kalyan Mahi. Okay. So
It's not
maybe that
changed.
Maheshwari added in somewhere groups. I think so. Can you check with the groups? Mm,
Root. Huh?
mm,
In
mm.
root, right? You are asking.
Yeah. 1 second. It is a directory. Okay. 1 second. In group. Keep in group. Check in groups. Nothing is there. Do one thing.
Huh?
Try with this command. User mod
User more.
hyphen d.
Hyphen D.
What is the directory? Root directory, right?
Hmm.
Root slash root slash. Mm, now our intention is to change the user, right?
Hmm.
So what are the username? Mahesh, right?
Hmm.
Okay. If you want to change the Mahesh name, hyphen space hyphen m. Try with it. Just I'm trying. Uh,
Here we have to give the
Different
company
name.
dot.
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. I'm
Yeah, let's
not
try.
remember. Try it. Not existed.
Let-
Okay. Do one thing. Try with it. Group mod hyphen n
GROUP group mod.
mod hyphen n.
Then
Okay. So this is actually for changing the group name. Actually,
one
I
second,
know
let me
this.
try one command like user mod
iPhone L, you are trying?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. Maybe it will work. I think so.
Username is like Mahesh, and the name is Mahesh. I think
Yeah,
let's see that. Eh, is-
yeah, it will work.
Yeah, it
Maheshwar
works.
is there, right?
Uh,
I think iPhone L, I need to use. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, maybe I forgot.
let's
Anyways,
see
that's
the
fine.
prep. AWS. Hmm. Here
Yeah,
also
you.
changed.
Yes, yes. Super. All right.
User.
Okay. All right. That's fine, right? So next,
Hmm. For group, we have to use this group mod, right?
hmm, yes, group mod, user mod. Okay, note those commands.
Let me try for that group also,
Yeah, try,
just to confirm.
try, try. First, check the groups.
Hmm. That is, why Nani, Mahi, Kalyan, and Maheshwari also created as a groups?
It will show. Actually, whenever you create a user, by default, it will also be act as a group. It will
Okay.
show that. It will show that in
Okay.
that. Until
Let's
unless you
change,
change, it will show.
let's change Java to Python then.
Mhm.
Means-
This command will not work for this.
Okay.
For group name, to change the group name, I said right, hyphen n.
Even then, okay.
Some Python to Java or Java to Python. What you're Yeah, yeah, correct. This is right. For group mod, you need to use hyphen n. That is for L. That is what I confused actually. L
Okay.
n there. Mm, right.
Hmm.
Python got right.
Yeah.
So that's the reason L or N something I confused. Anyways, that's good. So group, just note that group for hyphen N, for user hyphen L. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe L means I don't know. I don't
Yeah. Done.
remember. Okay. So fine. Next. So what is the number for R?
Number for R is 4. Read for
Okay.
4.
Okay. Execution.
Execution 1.
Okay. So right.
2.
Okay. So what is you must value?
So the default value for you must for user you're asking.
What is you must?
Okay. So it gives a default value for users or groups.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like it defines the permission to the file.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Kind of. Yeah. Exactly. Almost.
Okay.
So fine. So this UMask value is a default permission. Okay. It is a default permission. Just keep in mind.
Hmm.
Okay. So based upon your UMask value, your permissions will be changed.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is base permission?
Sorry, base permission.
What is base permission for directory? What
Directory
what
0777.
Yeah, what are the question is like that? What are the default base permissions for directory? Okay.
Hmm.
So what answer you will give? What are the default base permission for the directory?
Uh, yeah, yeah, one second. Zero, zero triple five.
Okay, is it
No,
triple five?
zero
Is
seven double five.
no, after changing, after keeping you must value, you will get 0755. But I am asking base permission, default base permission for directory.
Mm, I think zero triple seven, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So for base permission for the default base permission for the directory is 777.
Okay.
Okay. Whenever you combined with umask value, then you will get a default value for your directory.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
I'm asking base permission. I'm not asking for directory permission for after adding umask value.
Hmm.
Okay. So what is the base permission, default base permission for the file?
For the file 022.
Okay. Zero file
Normal file, right?
base permission. I'm asking for
Okay,
base
zero
permission.
triple six.
Yes. Yeah, that's what. Right?
Yeah.
So don't confuse. Keep in mind whenever you get do practice, if you do continuous practice only, you can able to keep in your mind. It will store in your subconscious.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Do more practice on these permissions.
Okay.
Right? So next. So concept is clear, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah. Next. So I think we have to talk about some commands. These commands called as process management. Okay. So PS command, it display your current running commands. Okay. Can you type PS?
Hmm.
Enter. Okay. So these are all actually display your current running processes.
Okay.
Clear.
Yeah.
Next, PS-EF. PS-EF. Display the current running process on the system. Okay.
PS is for.
Process. What are the process your processor running, right?
Hmm.
In your current system, it will display currently running process.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Next,
PSEF.
PS-EF.
Hmm.
Okay. Next, kill PID. So kill is for the name itself indicating that kill
Like
means it
kill
will
the
kill.
process.
It
Yeah,
will
to
kill.
stop the process.
Yeah. For example, if you give kill and PID number, so it will kill particular ID related process. Okay. It will process with a process ID of PID.
Okay.
Okay. Can you click kill PID?
One second. PID.
No, don't kill. Don't kill. Just that is PID number. Right. So,
I used this kill command in
mm,
like there is some
see,
what we
see,
call
I'll tell
blockers.
you. So, for example, in Windows, sometimes it will struck. Okay,
Hmm.
some tools will struck. Okay,
Okay.
it will hang out. So, whenever it hangs, what you will do? Control Shift will delete, right?
Yeah, or else we can go
Control Alt,
to.
sorry, Control Alt delete. So, you will
Yeah.
end the process
Yeah.
because it is already stuck. It is actually not working properly, so then you need to kill the process.
Hmm.
Same way in that such case, so if you want to do that, you need to use kill and you need to mention your ID. So then it will kill the particular process.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Next, can you type BG? Enter.
DG.
BG. B for bank.
BG.
Enter. Hmm.
SHO.
So currently, whatever running jobs, if there is any job is there, so if
Okay.
in such case it will show currently running job. Okay. Next, can you type top?
Yeah.
So top, yeah, currently running tools. Okay. So it will show the process viewer actually.
Mm.
So it will show what are running currently running what are softwares it will show.
Okay.
Okay. So and htop, can you type htop? Alternative process viewer. This is htop.
How could exit this?
Control C.
Okay.
Htop.
H.
No, it's not working. I think. Okay, fine. It's okay, fine. Just leave about it. Okay. All right. This is done. And anything we left? You name hyphen a. What you name hyphen a? What is this? This will display entire your system information.
Like network data.
Yeah, it will show the entire your system related information.
Okay.
Okay. So you name hyphen r. So this will show your release. Okay. You name hyphen r.
One second.
Release related recent operating system or something. Release related information it will show. See, this is your release, latest release of Amazon.
Okay.
Okay. So what is host name? Host name I shown already. If you want to see your IP address,
Yeah. You can
what you
type
will do? So that is different.
if config no.
So no. If config, it will show all the data, but only host name. It will show your host name in the sense your IP address. Can you type host name? See.
No. Okay.
Okay. Host name hyphen I. Host name hyphen capital I. Enter. What is this?
Only IP address.
Clearly it is showing only IP address.
Okay.
So you type last reboot. This is a simple command. Last reboot. Whenever your system is rebooted, it will show your history. See
Mm.
this? So you see the dates also.
Okay.
After launching your system, these many times you reboot it. Can
Okay.
you type date? DAT. It will show your current today's date. Okay.
Okay.
And what is CL? CL command will show the calendar. Enter. Yeah, it will show the calendar and it is highlighting with your today's date.
Okay.
Okay. W. Enter W and enter. So it is logins. Who it will show who logged in your system
Okay.
and type who WHO. It is also showing same who or W. If you use these two commands, both are same. So it will give clear details. Actually, W. Okay.
Okay.
Who logged your system? That everything it will show. Easy to user as a user. He logged your system and also root.
Root.
Example, one machine you shared with some others.
Okay.
Okay. So something happened, some fishy, something happened with him.
For troubleshoot, we need to check who are all the login logged in
Yeah, for
users.
example, your machine you assigned with your friend, he did some mess up with your system.
Yeah.
something data lost. So then he is arguing with you. So no, no, I did not logged in. Actually, I did not do any operations. At the time, you can check with it whether he is logged in or not.
Mm.
Okay, next try with who am I? Who am I? These are all normal English words. Who am I? Am. No spaces.
Okay.
Who am I? I is also small. Okay, this is not working. Maybe they deprecated this command. I think so.
Okay.
No, no, no. Not whom. Who? No,
Whom
it's
am I?
who am I?
Okay.
Enter now. It will work. I think so.
Yeah, root.
So root PWD. So working two same, right?
Mm.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Process commands also I explained, and already ls ls related, rm related. Okay, so link also I explained, and permissions also I explained. Anything left? Just thinking. And archive also we have done some kind of experiments on top of archive. Okay.
Mm.
What is tars hyphen cvf?
Sorry?
What are tar hyphen cvf? What is purpose of cvf command?
CVF.
Tar space hyphen cvf.
2 second, I forgot.
That's why you need to do more practice on this tar and gz. C means create,
So,
v means verbose,
yeah, yeah.
f means file.
But like to create tar file .tar, we use CVF.
Mm.
Okay, I got it.
Now what is hyphen c xvf?
Uh, to extract.
Mm. Okay, so you know what is a yum?
Yeah, M is to install any packages or softwares in the system.
Okay. So can you type SSH host? I did not tell this to you. SSH host. Enter.
Could not resolve host name. 1 second, I am in Rakesh. Let me go to root.
Sudo hyphen. You need to enter the password.
I didn't create any password.
So then directly enter. Oh, you might have created password.
No, I just
So
added
do one thing. Do
user
one
of
thing. Do
Rakesh.
one thing. Just Control C. Yeah, exited, right?
Yeah,
Just go log out. Log out.
exit. No,
Yes,
I
exit is
didn't.
working. So try now. SSH space host. What is
No,
could not resolve user host name, name or service not known. Okay. So you need to mention SSH space host means host IP address. Okay. So you're already in the same system. This might not work because if you want to host host in the sense you do one thing then SSH hyphen SSH space.
mm,
So user Rakesh
mm.
at the rate host
Space.
at the rate host. Enter. No, no, no. IP address. Host IP. Try with it. IP address. You can use the previous commands using the upper arrow.
Yeah, yeah, but to remember the.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Got it, got it. Paste here IP address. Enter. Oh, you used Control C again. No need copy. Again, if you want to see your IP address, simple host name.
Wait. My SSH.
Did you enter?
Yeah,
I don't know. It is not responding. Okay, fine. Yes, yes, yes. Give yes. So yeah, what happened?
permission denied.
This yeah, permanently warning. Permanently added something. So Rakesh, permission denied. Okay, so it is not a maybe permission denied. We need to see that permissions and okay. This we will discuss in tools while we are explaining about Ansible.
Okay.
Leave about it. So, but just keep in mind that commands. That's it. So
Okay.
top command we have used display top command. Display the manage and top of current running
Yeah.
processes.
Okay.
Okay, so that also we discussed and that's it. These are all comments. Okay,
Okay.
so Linux is over. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, now okay, let's. So next we are going to discuss what is the time now? Okay, already it's 1 hour. So
Yeah, it's 11:23.
okay, so will you be available in the evening or do you have any works?
No, I will be available even.
Okay, let's see.
Evening from
Actually, if I
3
don't
to
have
4
any
or
work,
2 to 3.
so at that time I will be busy.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
No, like if we continue every day in the week like 1 hour, then it's fine. Otherwise, we
Hmm.
can take 2 hours. Like if we miss any day or something
Yeah,
like that, because
yeah.
it's good that we completed Linux in 1 week. I
Uh,
can get a time to
yes,
practice. Yeah.
yes, yes. You do one thing. Don't stop your screen. You actually facing some issue, right? For the password. Can you open that? So I forgot to mention that. So now I remember again. So open the terminal.
Yeah.
So now try to switch. No, no, no. Directly you are in root, right?
Yeah.
Use pass WD.
Sorry, pass W.
Yeah, try it and wait, wait. Yeah, yeah. Give some password. Hey, 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 wait, wait, wait.
It's root password.
Changing that is for root. So you need to mention username. Control C. So pass WD, and Rakesh. Okay, now change 1 2 3 4 5. Keep that. Pad password. So you need to have minimum 8 characters.
Okay. 1 second. Let me try again. Six, 8. Okay. I think it's created.
Okay, can you check cat etc pass WD? Enter. So where is Rakesh? Yeah, it is Rakesh is there, right? Okay. Wait here. Rakesh is username,
Hmm.
right? Some 1006 actually user ID that one 1006. Okay.
Okay.
1009 is group ID. Okay. Home is actually directory. Okay.
Okay.
Again here Bhaskar is user. Okay.
Bhaskar.
Clear? So Rakesh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Not Bhaskar.
Hmm.
Sorry. Rakesh. Sorry for the wrong call.
No, no.
And that bash and bin or bash, that is actually shell command.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So if I
Now log into Rakesh now.
okay.
Hmm. How to log in? Log in.
Change.
So what is it? Sudo. Why sudo? No sudo. So switch user. Hmm. Hey. What? SU means switch user. I'm telling.
Okay.
SU. Yeah.
Yeah, it done. But it didn't ask it password. Why? For logout, they will ask.
Now try to no, not for logout directly. Uh, you tried what you tried earlier?
Earlier,
Logged out or what?
exit.
Not exit, not exit, not exit. You tried with logout, I think so. Try with logout now.
It's saying exit.
Okay. Just wait. And sudo so hyphen. Try with sudo so hyphen. No, yeah, it is asking, right?
Hmm.
Now you give the Rakesh password.
Rakesh is not in the sudo file.
Got it. This is different concept. I will let you know. I will explain you about this related.
Okay.
Uh,
If I click exit, it automatically exits.
yeah, that is okay. That is okay.
Okay.
Any comments? I'm just thinking. Yeah. So now, whenever you try to access that Rakesh, no. Wait.
Hmm.
Why CD? It is not a directory, right?
I'm just trying.
Yeah. So go back to Rakesh again. So actually, I'm trying to bringing you into the topic. So Rakesh, go enter and try to sudo
Hmm.
Rakesh hyphen.
Hyphen.
No, not hyphen. Rakesh. Try Rakesh.
Hmm.
Enter password. See this? Rakesh is not in the sudo's list, which means sudo's file, which means sudo in the sense it has all the privileges, which means sudo having entire permissions. It is a super user. Okay, it is a main, it is a dawn for your system. Sudo can do anything. Okay, sudo take the permissions, sudo give the permissions. Okay, sudo will do whatever it want. Okay,
Hmm.
so the same privileges I want to give it to Rakesh. For example, sudo is actually main user, sudo user. So I'm who is actually owner of this mission. Maybe Rakesh is owner of the mission or somebody your friend. What's his name?
Some nanny.
Okay, Lani is actually owner of this mission. To
Hmm.
be honest, okay.
Hmm.
So he is actually administrator. He actually given a permissions and everything he has given. Now you are utilizing this mission. So Nani is actually admin for this your system. So for suppose Nani is actually is working as an admin in your organization. Nani actually is going to take a leave for 10 days or 15 days for suppose.
Okay.
Okay. Next upcoming authorized person is you. Okay.
Mm.
Now Nani does not give you entire sudo access to you. So
Okay.
he will not share any kind of details about sudo. So Nani will create one user for you as a Rakesh. Okay, Rakesh, I am not actually available. I'm not going to available for 10 days. So that is the reason you just take care. If somebody if somebody want to join, or if somebody come for join in your new team, so just you can give. I'm going to give you one some permissions to you. So you are the authorized person now. So I'm going to give you sudo permissions for accessing all the systems and all the users also. Okay.
Mm.
So sudo has access to um, control users, but Rakesh does not have any kind of permissions to control other users. Clear?
Okay.
So now admin is making Rakesh as a sudo user. Okay, Rakesh able to can create the users.
Okay.
So then in that case, so you have a command called vi etc sudoers. Open it. Vi
Yeah.
sudo sudoers. Enter. Yeah, permission denied. Okay. Okay, go to exit. So now you are in the Rakesh user. Rakesh does not have permissions yet. You need to go into root.
Okay.
Exit. Exit, I said. Just exit. Now you are in root.
Mm.
So now try the same command.
AI etc. So,
Wait, Rakesh, my mic is not working. Hello? Rakesh, can you hear me now? Hello? Hello? Rakesh, can you hear me? Rakesh, can you hear me?
yeah.
So I have an issue with mic. Mic isn't working.
Okay. No.
Now, can you hear me now? Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Rakesh, can you hear me?
Lokesh, if you
Without talking, I'm not able to
listen, like
My
it's not
earphones,
audible.
I got an issue with the earphones. Okay. That mic is not working properly. So can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, Rakesh?
Mm, yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So actually, my earphones are not working properly.
Okay.
Anyways, that's fine. So now, yeah, you opened, right?
Mm.
VA etc sudo works. Okay. Just scroll down.
I'm not able to.
You need to press I inside.
Okay. Warning: changing a random
That's
read
okay.
only
It
file.
doesn't matter. Come down. Scroll down. Scroll down. You will see somewhere all something. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here it is. Here it is. Just to scroll a bit. and down to the under root permissions. Just under root permissions. What are you doing? Cursor will not work. You need to use upper arrow, upper and down arrow.
Under
Under
root.
Yes,
root,
Huh?
huh?
yes, under root.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay. So here you need to add Rakesh, capital or something. So be careful. Don't use any capital letters, please, Rakesh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Same like type, same like all equal to all something, same like that. Just copy top of just take reference and type same as usual. So by doing this, whatever the root of privilege is, so you will get it. Okay.
Hmm.
So same all.
Hmm.
Okay. So now okay, that's fine. And save this. Okay. Override it. Override it because you are changing root permissions. That's why it is asking escape, escape, colon, WQ, and exclamatory.
Escape.
WQ and exclamatory mark. Enter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So now try to switch Su hyphen Rakesh. Hyphen.
Hyphen. You said no need.
Sometimes okay. You are sometimes it will have sometimes because space also you need to maintain. Hyphen after you need to mention some space.
Invalid option.
Huh?
It shows invalid option.
No, no, Rakesh. After space you need to mention space.
Okay. Okay. One second. One second.
Su
So. Hmm.
hyphen space hyphen space Rakesh. No, 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 not two hyphens, Rakesh. I'm just repeating my words.
Okay.
Hyphen
Su.
space
Space.
Rakesh.
That's it.
Yes, right. Now where are you? Now in
Hmm.
Rakesh,
Rakesh.
correct? Right. So now, yeah, you entered, correct?
Hmm.
Okay, ls hyphen l home. ls hyphen l home hyphen
Home.
l. Okay. So space slash home. Enter. 1 second. So here you see here Rakesh, EC2 hyphen, Kalyan, Mahesh, Mahi, Nani and Raj. These are all actually users.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now um, mm, um, now try to create a user, any different user,
Okay.
or you try to delete a user. Better you already learned about how to add the user. Now try to use delete sudo user del. Sudo you must use in root user. You should not use any sudo, but you are in somewhere in Rakesh and other users. You must use sudo. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
su user del hyphen r for remove Raj space Raj del. Enter. See password. Enter the password.
It got removed, I guess.
Can you cross check once with the same command ls hyphen l with the home? So yes. So where who are you? You are as a Rakesh. You could delete
Root.
it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you go to Kalyan? Can you switch to Kalyan?
One
One
second.
second.
So, user. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you switch to Kalyan? Enter. What is the password?
For
For
Kalyan, we
Kalyan, we
didn't
didn't
give
give
any
any
password.
password.
It is asking password. Then, oh, 1 second. And just enter only.
Sorry?
Sorry?
No, actually, you should go to root now. Exit,
Hmm.
Hmm.
exit. Go to root. Now you can go to Kalyan. What is this? There was you are into Kalyan right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Repeat the same command ls-l home. Okay. See this?
Hmm.
So these many users are in there for your home. So then try to delete a Mahesh user del sudo user del Mahesh. Yeah. You're right. You're right. Hyphen R means remove.
Hmm.
Mahesh. Enter. See this? Um, we trust you have received usual lecture from local system. Respect privacy of others. Think before you type. Okay. Okay. Security reasons. Password you type. Do you have any password for Kalyan?
No.
No,
No
right?
No
password.
password.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just come out. Control C. Control C. Okay.
Hmm.
Try to set the password for Kalyan. Pass WD. Enter. Okay. Set the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 8 9. So in Linux, be careful while you are typing a password because that will not display to you. You can't see that, right?
Okay.
Okay.
So did you check set password? What is this password authentication taken manipulation error? So you did not set the password. Yes, set the password properly. Okay. So which means do one thing. Um, go to exit now. Now type like this sudo pass wd kalyan enter give password. Okay. So and now switch to Kalyan. Okay. Open all users using home ls-l home. Okay. Try to delete Mahesh now. Give the password. See that?
Kalyan is
Kalyan is
not in
not
the
in the
pseudo
pseudo
slug,
slug,
so you
so we
can't
can't
delete it.
delete.
Yes. So Kalyan does not have any sudo permissions. Only root and Rakesh has the permissions. Remaining all people are not having any kind of permissions. Even you easy to open user.
Okay.
The EC2 iPhone user is as a default user which is providing by Linux machine, but still it does not have any privileges to delete others.
Okay. Got it.
Got it.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Mahi does not have, Nani does not have, Mahesh does not have, Kalyan does not have, EC2 iPhone user does not have, only two users which is Root and Rakesh has permissions to delete others and do the permission, what kind of privilege, all the privileges it does.
Okay.
Okay.
Clear? So
Yeah.
this is
Yeah.
how you have to give the permissions to your um what? your users.
Users. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. Mm, so that's it. I think we have covered. I think I have covered almost all the Linux part.
Okay.
Okay.
If
You,
there is anything, we
Anything we
can
can
cover
cover
it
it
in
in
while
while
installing
installing
the
the
tools
tools
yeah, yeah.
in the
in the
system,
system,
I
I
guess.
guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So that's all. I think these are all enough for move to this DevOps.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I also covered extra also.
Okay.
So then yeah. So actually you already have taken a new system from your friend. So you are ready with installing the tools like Putty and Mobile Extreme and other tools, right?
Yeah,
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 yeah.
yeah.
So then next class I will let you know how to install the Putty and also Mobile Extreme. So any other different tools, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So that's what, because you must be handy to use your different tools, okay? You should not depend on browser, and you should not depend on only um, this git bash, right?
Okay.
Okay.
And you should not be habituated with the browser console of AWS.
Okay.
Okay.
So that might not work if server down or some browser issues happens or internet issues might happens. Sometimes it doesn't allow.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So tool is the best part because you are connecting with your machine with SSH keys,
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
secure shell. That is easy to connect and the system will accept. Okay,
Yeah. And I
browser
can
will.
see the difference
Difference
also.
also.
Previously,
Previously,
like
like
it
it
will
will
load
load
a
a
lot,
lot,
takes
takes
lot
lot
of
of
time,
time,
like
like
latency thing.
latency.
Yeah,
Now,
definitely,
Now,
100% because browser sometimes it will not works, and
yeah.
also
yeah.
this is direct connection. So that is the reason. For suppose if all of a sudden if something happened to your system, I mean
Hmm.
machine, maybe your inbound rules was blocked. For suppose you might have connected with the SSH connection. Okay,
Hmm.
you might have blocked with all the traffic. Okay, for suppose
Okay.
only you have a permission for your machine with the SSH connection, port number 22. Okay,
Hmm.
and also you might have blocked all the traffic. Okay, all other traffic. Okay, at that time you could not able to connect with the browser. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that reason should not depend on the browser. So maybe you might have connected with the you might have connected previously with the different tool which is like Putty or Putty Gen, what is that, and Mobile Extreme or something different. But maybe the tool got crashed or you might not know how to use the tool. So then again you tried with the browser. So while you are using that tool, or your some other person in your team, they might have set it with the permissions, maybe the inbound rules, they might have blocked all the permissions, which means all the traffic. So at the time you are still trying to connect with this browser, then again it is a problem. So you cannot able to connect with this browser. So again you need to have SSH key, and also you need to connect with the tool. Maybe if it is Putty or Mobile Extreme or what is this, Git Bash. So all these kind of tools. This is just alternate. Okay, AWS console with the browser is actually alternate. That's it. If something happens, then only that is the actual alternate way to enter into your machine. But that
Okay.
is not the a solution to enter your machine always. That will not give you proper response.
Hmm.
Okay, there will be a lot latency. Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So right. So this is all about Linux. Linux has been closed. Now we are going to enter into this. Maybe you have enough experience on Git.
Git,
Git,
yeah.
yeah.
Like
Like
I
I
use it
used
to
to
So
use.
just I'm thinking that if you know the Git, why should I waste time? Directly we can jump into Docker. That's what I'm thinking. What about you say?
Yeah, like
like
you
you
can
can
say
say
just
just
normal
normal
like a
like a
recap.
recap.
I
I
mean,
mean,
I
I
remembered I
remembered I
used
used
it
it
last
last
year
year
just
just
for
for
practice. I
practice. I
just
just
learned
learned
that,
that,
so I
so I
have to
have to
look
look
into it
into it
again.
again.
All right, so then let's do that also.
Hmm.
Okay, after completion of this class, putty puttijan and also this tools which is related to mobile exam and git bash and all. Git bash you already using, that's not a big deal, and I have to show only mobile exam and also putty, because putty is actually the tool which is using so long time, since so many years people are actually habituated with it. So you need to know that how to utilize the putty also, right? So mobile exam, sometimes this is not, some companies will not allow mobile exam, right? But
Hmm.
putty, in every company they will use putty. There is option. Git bash also they will allow, right?
Okay.
So it depends upon company. So that is the reason you should be ready with all.
Okay.
Right. That's all about. And yeah, fine, Rakesh. I'll text you something. So if there is anything, you can text me.
Okay.
Okay, I will text you my timings also. So
Okay.
if I am available, what time you mentioned?
Today,
Today,
Yeah,
from
from 2
2 to
to
3
3
or
or
3 to
3 to
4,
4,
like
like
3 to
3 to
4.
4.
3 to 4. Okay. I'll see. I'll check with my schedule. Um, yeah, I'll see that I do have a class. Let's see. Okay. If not, I'll connect tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay,
All right. Thank you, Rakesh. We'll see you
Yeah.
in next class. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
bye.